Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have taken trade in Nifty, and these days, as you know, that I'm trading more in Nifty, not in Bank Nifty, because we have monthly expiry for Bank Nifty. We're not getting good points in Bank Nifty these days. So Nifty, every week we will have expiry. So Nifty, I find it better to trade. So let me share my experience today. Yesterday I told you I had a profit of 9,000, but when I checked in the evening, my brokerage charges came more. It was somewhere brokerage were less, somewhere 2.4, but my exchange charges were more. That was more than 5,000. So in hand I got little. So why my exchange charges were more? Because quantity size was more, and my strike price was high at the money strike price. So that's the reason exchange and brokerage charges were more, and the number of trades were more. Like 110 trades are taken yesterday. So we are working really hard to make the profit, but we don't want to give more to the broker and for the exchange charges. So what I decided today is I will take less trades and I will take quality trades, so that I don't have to give more to the broker. So today I holded more my trades because I don't want to keep re-entering, and I took quality trades. I only enter where there is a possibility of getting points. But again, you cannot be 100% accurate while you trade. So in the morning I had taken call side trade, and there I had a loss of 2,000 rupees. I waited for the right moment to enter, and I had taken PE side trade, and I had taken at the money price, because today was Nifty expiry. So I didn't want to take OTM because there are chances that premium will decay. And there I made total 18,000 profit. In that means multiple times, not more than so many times, but 2 to 3 times I've taken 2 different strike prices, and in PE side I have made 18,000 profit. In that the call side loss was deducted, and now the total profit is showing on my account is 16,000. In that, now the main important part is the brokerage charges and the exchange charges. So including the exchange and brokerage charges, it is just 1,000 today, because we had less number of trades today. So this is how we have to calculate and then sustain in the market, because this very important. Whatever you work for, you don't have to give more to the broker, and try to make 10% of the capital that you have put into the market. If you are using 1 lakh capital, try to get 10,000 profit. So that should be your calculation. So let me take you through the screen and share how I made the profit and what are the strike prices I have taken. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please watch this video completely. So friends, you could see here the final profit is 16,295, and the brokerage charges today is less because we have taken less trades. So make sure that you take less trades and make more profit. So let me show you the chart here. Now friends, this particular move I did not capture because of discipline. I decided to close my system because I didn't want to do over trading, but sometime you can enter. You should not be missing such a great move if market is giving you. Okay, now this particular area I have captured the PE trade. Here also some points I captured. Market has also given good move towards C side. So finally the profit which I made, that profit was only made in P side. but did not capture the last move. So this is how you have to look at the charts, draw the proper lines, look at the previous high and low, and check whether market is breaking the previous high or not, check where market is trying to head, check the volume of the strike price which you are taking. That is also important. Even if you are not using the indicators, but you should know the volume and delta of the strike price which you are taking. Try to take at the money strike price, because premium will decay after 2 o'clock. So make sure that your trade should be ended before 2 p.m. So it was just a simple trade and a very good day to make money. Today was seller's day. So I hope if you are trading, you might have made nice profit today. If you are traded, let me know in the comment section. So I have taken trade over here, input side. Now you could see loss is piling up because the lot size is more. Here we have taken 1400 quantities. Now it came into profit, but the volatility in the market was more. So you could see we got 2000 profit, and again the market is going to the opposite direction. Now you could see here 3000 loss, 8000 loss, 9000, 10,000 loss, 11,000 loss, 12,000 loss. So this is what happened, friends. When you take more quantities, your loss also will look more. Now it started reducing the loss. So I holded this trade for a long time. Now it turned to profit. Let me fast forward it. Now you could see 1000, 2000, 3000, again 2000, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Let me fast forward this. Here you could see 7,000, 8,000 profit. Now the mistake what I have done is I have not trailed the profit, and the market has given one more reversal. Now you could see I got close to 9,000 profit, 10,000 profit, but I did not trail. That was the mistake. And now you could see all the profit is getting wiped out. Okay, now 257 rupees. Now again 1000. So friends, you have seen that all the 10,000 here, market took it out and the trade was into minus. So whenever you get nice profit 8 to 10,000, try to trail it and then re-enter. But what we do is here you could see Now what we do is, our psychology is we want to wait till the target and we hold the trade too much. So we should not be doing that mistake. Again, you see, I have not trailed, then I got profit, because we aim more for the profit, but not every time market will give us more profit. So what are the mistakes I have done here? I am just sharing that with you. Okay, so this is the main part. Now market has given a very good move. Now you could see the profit will increase. It will go till 16,000. So what I have done here, friends, you could see I have reduced the quantity. Now it is 700. Now again I'm going to reduce some quantities. The best thing to do, friends, is try to exit all the quantities, because 300, 400 quantities are sufficient to steal your profit. So I personally don't like keeping few lots. I just like to exit all the quantities, but here I have tried keeping some quantities. Now you could see my profit was not increasing, so I reduced some more quantities. Now only 200 remaining. Again 16,000. It went till 17,000, but I couldn't take it out because our psychology is we want to make more. So finally this trade ended with 15,680. Here one more trade I've taken, and there I made a profit of, overall profit is some problem. So here, friends, 16,000 was my final profit. I hope you got learning from this video. If you are new to my channel, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Thank you.